There are a number of reasons you should be looking at Chainlink, and we've highlighted a lot of these on the channel. Obviously, Chainlink is one of those blockchains, but really companies that links this whole thing together through interoperability, right? The ability of blockchains being able to communicate with other blockchains. Chainlink does this through their Oracle technology, and they are at the forefront of this. They really don't have any stiff competition in this area. Well, Chainlink just announced what their plans are for 2024. And we've talked about this before and just how big this is going to be. And if you guys remember, Larry Fink at BlackRock had talked about this in 2023 on a couple different occasions. And this is the area of RWA, real world asset tokenization. And this is said to be a $10 trillion industry. Those aren't my words. Those are the words of CEO of BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, Larry Fink. So Chainlink, looking to prioritize real-world asset tokenization in 2024. And I want to give you guys some specifics and talk about Chainlink. And I'll tell you what, this could be the time we start to look at Chainlink as an investment opportunity. They are very, very stable. They've been really solid throughout this bear market. We recently talked about them when I did my full portfolio breakdown. That's my last live stream on the channel. If you guys want to go check that out, it was almost a 2-hour live stream. We talked about pretty much everything I own in my portfolio as we head into 2024. So check out that live stream if that's something that interests you guys. But I saw this and I said, wow, okay, so it's happening kind of for Chainlink, because this was rumored to be something they were focused in on, but now it's actually coming to fruition. So as I mentioned, they really prioritized, leading up to this point, cross-chain interoperability, right? This is a new data solution and the introduction of developer functions within the Link blockchain. But again, cross-chain was the key there. So what are they doing in 2024? Well, they're looking to further integrate real-world asset tokenization and TradFi. So meanwhile, Chainlink will shift its attention from enhancing transaction speed to supporting RWA tokenization related projects, making them more accessible for clients and boosting liquidity. So Link's platform introduced the Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, or CCIP technology, in July to bolster security within the blockchain. This won't go away, by the way. That attracted financial institutions and banks. Chainlink's 2024 strategy now shows the network will switch from prioritizing the CCIP tech to exploring real-world asset tokenization. But this is all part of a grander plan, right? To be able to provide this to institutions and banks all in one package. So I thought this was a pretty good post over here. For years, Chainlink has been a cornerstone in the evolution of decentralized finance, acting as a trusted bridge connecting the realms of the real world and the blockchain. In July, they unveiled a new innovation to the ecosystem, CCIP. Now, furthermore, cross-chain interoperability is a secure protocol that allows tokens to move between blockchains, connecting private and public chains. See, there are a lot of private blockchains, especially with the institutions. Take JP Morgan Chase, for example. They have a private blockchain that they've been working on and operating on for a while. This enables cross-chain messaging, supports chain abstraction apps, and integrates real-world assets on chain. See how this is all coming together. So, simplified token transfer. This is a key CCIP feature. This enables the efficient transfer of tokens between different blockchains using lock, burn, and mint mechanisms, ensuring a consistent token supply. Seamlessly scale your user base and improve token composability by securely moving tokens across chains. Nobody does this better than Chainlink in terms of this interoperability idea. Again, blockchains being able to communicate with other blockchains and transfer, in the future here, real-world assets too. The beauty of this lies in the interoperable and abstracted nature of CCIP, allowing the movement of these assets across different blockchains while eliminating the complexity and stress for users when accessing these products and services on various chains. It's taking out the legwork, right, of you having to manually move things over. We know how difficult that is just to do when we're swapping in cryptos, right? Oh, I've got some USDT on the Binance Smart Chain, but I got to get it over on the Ethereum chain, or I got to get it over on the Polygon chain, or whatever, right? That is going away, and it's all because of what Chainlink brings to the table. So, RWA, real-world asset tokenization. These are non-fungible or fungible tokens representing traditional assets on the blockchain. Chainlink wants to dominate this space, real-world assets industry, where projects that want to venture into the revolution will use Link to fuel the transition. Great name, right? By the way, Chainlink, Link. Moreover, developments such as dominating and decentralized finance industry poises Chainlink for a bright future, and holders might enjoy significant returns in 2024. When I did my tiered approach, guys, I put Chainlink right up there with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this, to me, screams to me that I need to get more Chainlink in my portfolio. And I know it's not a sexy pick. I know this thing isn't probably going to 100x anytime soon, but this should be a cornerstone, in my opinion here, after seeing all of this, what Chainlink has done in the last few years, how long they've been around, where they are currently. They're undervalued, in my opinion, and now the news in the fact that they're going into real-world token RWA, real-world asset tokenization. So Chainlink, as we saw here, is trading just under $15 right now. Keep in mind the all-time high is around 50. I think that was severely undervalued at last bull run. We only got a little over $50. I think Chainlink is certainly a $100 company, $100 per token company right now. So that's just my opinion. I mean, 4 or 5x from here, at least in next market cycle here. A couple analysts out there have an uptick price target just short term here to $20. And that would get us back to where we were in January of 2022. But that's kind of where we are right now with Chainlink. If we take a look at where it is right now, it's ranked number 13, up a little bit here, sitting just underneath $15. This, for me, solidifies the fact that I need to take Chainlink more seriously and make it a bigger part of my portfolio. Keep in mind, this thing was trading down at $5-6 not too long ago either, earlier this year, back in June, and then back here again in September. But still, I think severely undervalued, and there's your all chart right there. It does really perform well in bear markets too, so something else to keep in mind. Let me know what you guys think about this down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section too. Curious to hear your thoughts. See ya.